still good? Yeah, we're still okay. I think I'm the last to speak here to conclude this forum. Since morning, we heard different ideas, perspective, updates coming from different people, amazing different people speaker from different nationalities and industry and the maritime industry. So, by the way, thank you, Apo, and to the Safety for Sea Committee for inviting me as today and representing Marino PH. So, uh, by the way, I'm Dr. Reno Bolivar, coming from the Philippines. So, I'm a former seafarer, also a crewing manager, training manager, instructor, assessor, and right now I am a professor in a maritime university in the Philippines. So my company is Marino PH. So it's a social media digital company in the Philippines. We're in right now. We are the largest and the biggest Facebook maritime community with 1.7 million followers. So our followers really seafarers, not only Filipino but different nationalities. That's why this morning you saw the video played by I think one of our speaker that's coming from our page. So the one that a crane got accident with the vessel. So we are focusing really on the advertising, marketing, branding, research and development, survey, something like that. So today, my topics really focus on crew retention and attraction. So what does it mean? So as we all know that in the Philippines right now, we are really the number one supplier of the seafarers. So as per BIMCO, so we know BIMCO, right? So BIMCO, almost 25% of the global workforce really produced from the Philippines. So we really occupied 25% of the pie. So last 2023, Philippines really have this number one on top, and we deployed, I think perhaps 550,000 seafarers. So that's the combinations of ratings and officers. So next by China, India, Indonesia, Russia, and so on. So Philippines, so we're on top about the deployment of seafarers. So for context and background, right now in the Philippines, we have 361 manning agencies. So we have active principals, 3,111. So that really investing and trusted Philippines. And we have these 28,740 vessels and fishing vessels 1,733. So my topic today is about crew attraction. So I have two perspectives to present to you, seafarer perspective and manning agency perspective. So last July 2022 to 2024, my company Marino PH conducted a comprehensive survey. So among 1,000 seafarers to understand the key factor influencing their decision to stay with the manning and crewing agency. So the survey aimed to identify the current trends and priorities in 2024 when it comes of retaining skilled seafarers in the Philippines. So in the survey, we asked seafarers, so what do you consider the most important factors in staying loyal to your manning or crewing agency? So we gave them these options and let them choose one. So because I cannot read, I have problem with my eye. So we use these the options: welfare and mental health support, competitive compensation and benefits, good communication and transparency, diversity of contracts and stability, technology and internet access on board, work-life balance, integrations, agency reputations, positive workplace environment, clear career development path, and feedback and recognition. So after validating, checking the data and the result of the survey, so number one, so seafarers really want a company with competitive compensation and benefits. So and the number two, technology and digital solution, that's a vessel with internet. Number three, work-life balance integration, followed by welfare and mental health support. And on the fifth spot, clear career development program, or they pray for a company with clear promotion path. So this is the clear explanation. In the number one, seafarers really like a company with high compensation, salary, benefits, HMO. Number two, a company with internet access, not only internet, but it's a free internet access. So on the number three, it's all about work-life balance and integration. Number four, clear career development program. And number five is mental health support. So what's new? Crew attractions. So this is a manning agency perspective. So the competition is of recruitment in the Philippines right now is very tough also. So right now, different manning agencies, so when it comes of recruitment, they are now shifting also in digital and online. So if you can see on the screen, so this is now the new way of recruiting seafarers in the Philippines. So every company now they have their also Facebook pages, TikTok, YouTube, or even X. So example on the screen. So this is how the manning agency now in the Philippines to recruit the seafarers. So also a lot of company right now in Manila have this application app, mobile app. So it's like an online job site like PropelMe, Kabaro app, so my company and other application app. So next is key retention strategies. So every company, every manning agency have their own strategies to retain the crew. They have quality management system procedures. So this company, Hartman Crew Philippines, one of our client in the Philippines. So I choose this company to put here because I think their strategy is very effective. This company is an established company in the Philippines. So this is their strategies. So they are not really focusing only to the seafarer, but also they focus on the family of the seafarer as well as to their employer. So in the seafarer, they take care of the crew. They have above average salary, cadet program, and officer promotion program, employment to recruitment program, medical benefits, loyalty program, and they have this bonus to those crew who stay in their company with 20 years, 25, and 30 years in service, and also a lot of performance bonuses, and the value added service to the crew. They treated as partner and customer. So they take care also the family of the crew while the crew is on board. So they make sure that the family are taken care while the crew is on board and dedicated family career. And also they have livelihood program and seafarer's wife community. And the last one is the take care of crew employer. So they have personalized service. So they are very transparent. They are clear. And they have dedicated team per customer. That's why this company landed in the 92% retention rate with their crew. Thank you.